fish ball, pork ball, beef ball, chicken ball, any ball you can dip, except some ball you cannot dip.
Well, I don't know.
But
Feel free to experiment.
no, don't put that one. Yeah. Okay, all the ingredient today, just I don't know, simple or not simple. Let's see. Okay, water. Water, 800 gram of water. Coriander root, palm sugar 400 gram, white sugar 400 gram, preserved garlic, just this one 200 gram, tamarind salt 250 gram, dry chili 50 gram, tomato, 2 pieces of tomato and 20 gram of salt. But the first thing, this one we need to roast first, and then this one tomato we need to mince, use the machine to mince it, that's it, and then we boil all this one. Yeah, and all the meatball you can grill, you can fry, you can boil, you can steam, anything you like.
But that one we gonna show next week.
Yeah, we're going to show how to make the chicken ball next week. Okay, the first step we need to roast the chili first. We use dry chili. If you like a hot, you can put more. Okay, and now we roast the chili. Yeah, as I said, you can put more or you can put less. This one depend on how you like it. Use low to medium heat to roast the chili. Okay, yeah. Now you can see the color getting burned. Yeah, like this enough. And now we need to crush this one with the mortars and then mince this one with the machine, yeah, the grinder. But you can cut into small pieces or you can peel off skin. Okay, no need to be too fine, just like this enough. This machine we need to put a little bit of water. Some machine no need. Okay, now we start to cook it now. Hide the gas. You put 800 gram of water, palm sugar, 400 gram of palm sugar, 400 gram of white sugar. This one, the taste have to be very tasty, strong taste. You stir until it's...
the palm sugar for the flavor and the white sugar to make it sticky?
No. If you keep boiling, it's sticky by themselves. White sugar and palm sugar make the sweet taste balance, and tomato make a little bit add sour, natural flavor. Okay, sugar, palm sugar I have melt, then I put salt, 20 gram. But you don't have to put oil. Yeah, you try first. It might too salty for you, or yeah, depend on your taste. And then tamarind sauce, 250. Gram of preserved garlic. And then minced tomato. ยูว่าไอเก่งไหมยูว่าไอทำอาหารเก่งไหม
I didn't know this one had tomato in it.
No, some just you know, some version they don't put, but most of this one they put.
Yeah, like big bone. Big bone.
Good. Yeah, this one prick, this one we just wait until sticky. You know, some they shortcut. They don't want to boil it too long. They use the corn flour to make it thick. Okay, you can take it out. You can see the bubble. You can take it out. This one, what you call this one? Bubble or froth?
Frog.
Froth.
That was difficult for you. Then.
Froth. Froth.
Frog. Frog.
Okay, and the final, I grind coriander root and put in the sauce. You can get different smell. The coriander root, nice.
Is just like meatball.
Yeah, meatball.
Like you can eat any meat.
Any meat.
Fish.
If ลูกชิ้น if fish ลูกชิ้นปลา chicken ลูกชิ้นไก่ beef ลูกชิ้นเนื้อ Okay, it take another 10 minutes I think. Because this one slow cook. Nearly there. Okay, now I put chili. Just slowly put, yeah, because not sure it's too hot or. We boil about half an hour, I think, to get if you want shortcut, can put corn flour easy, but the taste, I don't like the taste of the corn flour.
Change the color.
But most of them, they put all the flour. Another 5 minutes, nearly it have to be very sticky. When it get cold, more sticky. Okay, I put coriander leaf on top and roast the dry chili a few. Okay, this is how the sauce look like. Yeah, after this one cool down, you can keep in a room temperature. Can leave for 4 or 5 months. When you feel want to eat, just take it out and warm and eat it.
Okay, so we're gonna try these Luk Chin, which we're gonna show you the recipe for this next week. So we're gonna try the Nam Jim Luk Chin, which is this is a particular sauce for these kind of meatballs. So let me get a tissue. This is gonna get messy. Oh, it smells really good. So good. Sauce is spicy, sweet, sour. It's got a lot of umami as well. And we need some more. Oh, really good. Just coats the chicken. Sauce has just got a lot going on. And then you get that chili coming through at the end. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Give that a go at home, guys. You won't be disappointed. It's amazing. So, hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you next week. Take care now. Bye.